My name is Kat. I'm a group exercise instructor at UMBC, and today I am back again to lead you all through another 30-minute cardio kickboxing express workout. So in today's workout, what you are going to be seeing and doing is a mix of both strength and cardio. We're going to be following the Tabata style format, which means 20 seconds active work and 10 seconds recovery. Now normally Tabata is 4 minutes, so 8 rounds of one movement, but since our workout is so short today, under 30 minutes, I'm going to be alternating between 2 movements, a strength and a cardio, each 4-minute round, just to keep it a little interesting. Make sure you've got space to move, sneakers on, double tie those laces so you don't have to pause at all during the workout, and then 1 or 2 sets of weights. We'll have both upper body and lower body based movements. If you have a towel for sweat, grab that as well, and then water to stay hydrated too. You can take breaks whenever you need. We're going to start up with a warm-up. So let's just roll our shoulders back, roll it back, open up that chest. Nice and big. And then reverse. Other way. 3. We're going to step it right and left. Open up, chest and back. Now, anytime you start a new workout program, just make sure to clear it with your doctor to make sure it's okay for you, your body, and your goals. Give me full. 3, 2, knees up, up. Chest, pulling knees in to warm up your core for 8, 7, 6. Beautiful. We're going to take a hamstring curls back in the body. Flex the foot. Bring heel into your glutes to warm up the hamstrings. That posterior chain. Beautiful. 3. We're going to take it to squats. Down and up. Weight and heels, and you can be a little wider than hips, toes might be a little out. Just down and up, just a little bit. Triple pulse, get lower. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to open the hips up. Chest is up. 1 more. Feet wide, rotate side to side. Rotate. Heel lifts up. Rotate on the ball of that foot. Side to side for 8. Power through your feet, through your core. Last 2. And 1. Little tap. And lift. Tap. So tapping those hands together. Lifting that leg out to the side. Warming up those outer thighs. Now we're going to tap to the floor. Low impact track. You're a little squatty. Warm up your shoulders, get your heart rate up. Yes. Beautiful. 3. We're going to jab it down the center. Right, left. Right, left. Rotating your fist. Aiming for your opponent's nose and mouth. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Little kick. Little kick. 3, 2, 1, ball of foot. This movement's going to come back later. So remember it. All marches, march. Arm pump. Inhale through that nose. Exhale through that mouth. 8, 6, 4, 3. Side lunge to the right. 3, 2, 1. Left. Weight and heel, hips go back. Stretching out. Inner thigh. Warm up the glute. Leg goes back, lunge. 3, 2, 1. Hips front, chest front. Weight in the front foot, front heel. Yes. Nice inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. 1 more. Exhale. All right, little march. We're going to start up. First Tabata. Grab your weights. Sip of water if you need it. You can peel your jackets off too if you're getting a little bit warm here. We've got hammer curls, and uppercuts. So I'm gonna grab my 15s, biceps are strong. Palms are gonna face each other. See about hip to shoulder width. Alternate. Right left. Elbows in tight. Chest up and open. You can go faster, you can go slower. Since I got 15s and then a little on the heavier side for me, I'm taking it a little slower. Alright, squat. Set those weights down. Feet shoulder width apart. Guard up, thumb on top. Get a little lower. Uppercut, 2 right, 2 left. So in an uppercut, you're aiming underneath your opponent's chin. Whatever arm is punching, that hip turns in, and you lift that heel. Out, in, right.
3.
Bring that palm back.
1. Stop.
Back to hammer curls. Squat down, grab your weights. Palms face each other.
3, 2,
use a little soft.
1.
Alternate right left. Now say you only have a really light set of weights. To make it harder for you, you can do both arms at the same time. Or maybe you only have one weight. You can keep alternating rounds, just one arm.
2, 1. Stop.
Alright, set the weights down gently. Come back up. Just keep alternating. Biceps, 4.
1.
2 uppercuts right. And left. If you want to spice it up, aim for someone's gut. And then aim for their chin. You choose. But you power out that leg to that core.
2, 1. Stop.
Back to biceps. Grab that weight. Or 2.
3, 2,
Palms face.
1.
Alternate. Now I don't care if you go right, left, or left, right. I started on my left side this time because I kept noticing each round. I started on my right. I was finished on my right. So I want to be balanced here.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Weights down. Uppercuts. I'm going to start on my left this time. Why not?
3,
Feet wide.
2,
Fist outside the jaw. 2 left. 2 right. Exhale, nice and big. Show me your meat. Up. It's a quick and efficient workout.
2, 1. Stop.
All right, back to weights. I'm gonna alternate left, right again.
3, 2,
Chin up.
1. Work.
Then again, you go slower or quicker. You choose. I think I'm gonna have to peel my jacket off.
3, 1. Stop.
All right, weights down. Uppercuts. I'm gonna start 2 left again.
3,
Wide.
2,
Remember, flip that heel.
1.
Go. Then you go a little lower if you want to, but always come back to protect that base. Either jaw or gut is what you're aiming for. Your choice.
3, 2, 1. Stop. Recover for 1 minute.
All right, 1 minute recovery. Now you can get your water. You can peel things off, whatever you want to do. But try to keep your feet moving, all right? That's Tabata 1 down. We've got 4. So next one, lower body. We're gonna go to squats and front push kicks. So squat, you can do them weighted or not. Front push kick, you really want to think about using the ball of your foot to kick your opponent, almost kind of curling your toes back a little bit. Really keeping them in their legs or as high as you want to go. Height really doesn't matter. That's something that comes with practice. A powerful kick can be a low kick. So I'm gonna grab one heavy weight here. You can grab two lights, you can grab a backpack, whatever. Feet hip shoulder width, toes turned out. Squat yourself down and up, your own pace. Inhale down. Exhale up. Now I've got a goblet hold happening here. So that means I've got one weight, kind of gripping underneath a bit. It's about under my chin.
3, 2, 1, stop.
All right, I'm gonna set this weight down gently again. Squatting down, bending my knees. Alternate.
3, 2,
Front push kicks.
1,
Right,
go.
right, left, right. Now you can either choose to keep your guard up the whole time, or you can drop that opposite guard.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Back to squats. Again, one or two weights or no weights. Feet hip shoulder width, toes roll out.
2,
Ribs over hips.
1, work.
Squat. Inhale down, exhale up. Really tensing those glutes. Pushing your feet through the floor.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Squat yourself down, weight down. And back to front push kick. We're going to add a little more. I'll show you from the
2,
side.
1,
So,
go.
you can get a little, kind of a lean back in those hips. Otherwise, you can keep it upright. Follow that foot. Working through those hammies,
3,
those cores.
2, 1, stop.
Back to squats. 1, 2, or no weights.
3, 2, 1, work.
Inhale down. Exhale up. You got this. This workout is all about you. Making yourself better, stronger.
1, stop.
Weight down. All right, back to those
3,
alternating front kicks.
2, 1,
Right and left.
go.
Right, left. Now if you want to aim for a challenge, you kick a little higher. Maybe do about someone's hip height. Or keep it low. Low.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Back to squats. Cardio doesn't have to be ridiculous in order to keep your heart rate
2,
up.
1, work.
Squat. I consider the cardio in this kickboxing today a little more low impact. Just to show you guys, it does not have to be jarring to get your heart rate up. Get that movement and those steps in for the day.
2, 1, stop.
And try to get some strength in there as well. Alright.
3, 2, 1,
Right leg.
go.
Now whatever leg kicks up this time, drop that same arm. Like you're snapping it down. Load and explode it. Out, in.
3, 2, 1, stop. Recover for 1 minute.
4 minutes, it's over so quick. So quick. All right, same thing. Just keep your feet moving. Water, towel. Every 4 minutes comes with that 60 seconds to recover. Hopefully your breath is a little deeper. If it's not, guess what your options are. Lift a little heavier with something, whatever you have in the house. Maybe it's a set of textbooks. And go a little deeper into that cardio. Use your levels, kicking higher, going quicker maybe, really getting deeper into the movement. Okay. Next set of movements, we have a frontal lateral raise And then a hook, where you want to think about your arm being 90 degrees and staying that 90 degrees, sliding across the table, back to your fist. So frontal lateral raise. I'm gonna go a little lighter here, 5 pounds, feet at the shoulder width, palms over my hips.
3, 2, 1.
Frontal raise.
Work.
Front, lateral to the side. Arms a little bent. Only come to shoulder height. That's where you want to stop. If you have a mirror, it does come in handy. Feel your core fire up.
2, 1. Stop.
As those weights come outside your body. All right, set it down. Hooks. We're just going to go right to left. Feet
3,
wide.
2,
Lift
1.
that heel. Right.
Go.
Right. Left. Get the form down first. Then you can speed it up. Right. Left. Aim for the side of someone's jaw. Go through their face.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Back to frontal lateral raise. Grab those weights. Feet,
3,
shoulder width.
2,
Elbows will bend.
1. Work.
Frontal and lateral. Think about your pinky leaning on that lateral, that outside movement. So your pinkies are higher than your thumbs on that outside lift. You can look at it and you'll see kind of like the core into a flex.
1. Stop.
It's good alignment, healthier for your shoulder that way. All right, back to hooks.
3,
2, 1, right, left, right. Breathe in. Really picture your opponent. They're about your height. So that's as high as you're aiming in your hook, outside your cheek. Turn and turn.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Frontal, lateral. We're halfway there. Bend those knees.
3,
Woo!
1.
Frontal lateral. And outside. Shoulder height. Leave that pinky. What if you only have a heavy set of weights and it's too much for double? You do one arm at a time. Do a full round, front lateral.
2, 1. Stop.
Weights down. All right, I'm gonna start my hook on my left side. Woo! Get low.
3, 2, 1.
Left, right. Come on, you got this. Are you getting a little lower? In those legs. Use the floor
3,
to power up to those arms.
1. Stop.
Shoulder is last. Woo! Round. Frontal and lateral.
2, 1.
Let's go! Check that pinky again. Is it leaning on the outside? A little higher. Pouring into a glass. Water. Or lemonade. Or something else. I don't know.
3,
Beverage of choice.
1. Stop.
Alright, squat, weights down. Last set of hooks. I'm going to start left again.
3,
Legs wide.
2,
Guard up.
1.
Let's
Go.
Notice my elbow comes back in tight to my body. It's not a scoop, it's a hook. So hook them in and knock them out.
3, 2, 1. Stop. Recover for 1 minute.
Little march. That's 3 rounds down. 3. 1 round left. Goes by so quick. All right, if you need to towel yourself off, if you need water, use this break. Next movement. Again, try to keep it simple since 20 seconds so quick. Set of weights, probably a little bit heavier. It's a lat row, your big back muscles. And then across, going to the corners of the room, really pulling that arm back to you so you can feel behind that upper back, tying in nice and well with those lats back there too. And those boxer muscles. Whew, all right, we're getting ready. I'm gonna grab my heavier weights here. Back is a big muscle. If your back feels okay, don't be afraid of it. Feet about hip to shoulder width. Bend the knees, shoulders down, back nice and neutral.
1,
elbows pull in. Staying close to the body. It does not have to be a high pull. Think about leading with that pinky. Pulling nice and tight so you feel that squeeze through your armpit.
3, 2, 1, stop.
All right, gently set the weights down. Squat. Bend the knees. Crosses.
3,
Corners of the room.
1,
Side of the face. Cross. Again, turning those hips in. Out, in. This is how we shape our cores as we throw these punches.
3, 2, 1, stop.
All right, back to that lat. You ready? Feet to the shoulder width.
3, 2,
Shoulders down,
1,
core tight.
work.
Now your back, it's about 45 degrees. So you have both the weights and gravity working against these lat muscles. Exhale as you pull up.
2, 1, stop.
Woo! Weights down. All right, those crosses.
3, 2, 1,
Left, right. Further, your height. Corner. Break that cheekbone. And really bring it back to you. Out in.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Halfway there. Halfway there. Grab those weights.
3,
2,
1,
1,
work.
work. Think about that nice, big, strong back you're building here. So you can carry the load of everything in this world on your back.
3, 2, 1, stop.
I think I cheated that last one there. I can feel myself starting to get tired. Start, cross,
2,
left.
1, go.
We got this. We started together, we finished together. It's that simple. Come on.
3,
Turn those fists.
2, 1, stop.
All right, very last set. I felt myself starting to give a little bit on that one, so I'm gonna lighten my load. No worries with that.
2,
Get low,
1,
pull it in. Remember your own pace. You don't gotta worry about matching me or the music for this one. Weights are all about you.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Here we go. Last set of crosses. I'm gonna start right. Legs wide.
3,
Get low.
1,
Right, left. All right, keep rotating balls of those feet. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Feel that elbows like a magnet. It wants to come back to your sides. Along with that fist wants to come back to your jaw.
3, 2, 1, stop. Recover for 1 minute.
It's recover 1 minute, but really it's cool down time. So if you need, shake it out. Work out those quick. Best part, cool down. So just kind of step touch, right and left. We're gonna bring it down, keeping that heart rate. Let our muscles cool down. so that we can get back to whatever we're doing or what we have to do. But you're gonna conquer your day. Or if it's nighttime and you're doing this in the evening after work, you're gonna conquer your bed. And hopefully this is gonna help you sleep better. All right, nice deep breath up. Exhale to your sides. If you need something to hold on to, we're gonna balance and grab our right toes, heel into our butt. Knee down exactly where it would be if you were standing. Stretching to the front of that thigh, that quad muscle. It worked hard in every single movement because we were trying to get low on our punches, and we used our legs a lot too. Leg forward, heel down, toe up. Sink back into that left hip. Now you're stretching out the hamstring, the back of the thigh. All right, we're gonna get a little bouncy. I'm gonna back up just a little bit here. Rise it up, ball that foot, open up, ankle on top of your thigh, flex the foot, opening up through your hip. Try to squat down a little bit, flex this foot to protect the knee, stretch the glute in your hip, set it down, quad stretch, other side, heel into your glute, be exactly where it would be if you were standing, so you can really get through all those striations and those muscles. All right, heel comes down, toe is up, hamstring stretch, bend, hinge those hips back, right knees bend. The song I think is called Paradise. It just reminded me of lying on the beach, which I could really use right now. I don't know about you. Ball that foot, open up. Ankle on top of that thigh. Oh, flex that foot. There's that balance. There you go. If you lost it, you're just like me. It's part of the dance here. Right leg behind the left. Right arm up. Stretch. Grab your wrist. Pull down a little bit. A little deeper behind the left shoulder. Step the foot out. We're going to take the arm across the body now. So pull either on the forearm or the tricep, just not exactly the elbow joint. All right, left foot behind right, left arm up. Same heel. What's your favorite vacation spot? Mine will always be the beach. Always, always. Step it out. In the sand, film the sun down. The day I'm recording this video, it is full of snow outside. So the complete opposite. I'm not a snow bunny, I'm a sun bunny. Take these hands back. Fist down, chest up. Now it should reverse. Press away. All right, I'm gonna stand to the side, but my legs are nice and wide, wider than my shoulders. Hinge my hips back. Stretch through my back here. You can then change it to grabbing your elbows. Let your head hang, let your back hang. You can always stretch at any time during the day. Gently roll yourself up. And then super deep breath all the way to the top. Exhale to your heart. And head up. Great job. Thank you all so much for joining me for this 30-minute cardio kickboxing express workout. I try to change it up every time, so you'll never see the exact same video twice. All of my videos are different here. Obviously, we use some of the same movements because kickboxing it's punches, it's kicks. Same thing with weightlifting. It doesn't have to be complicated to be effective. But if you guys ever have requests for something different you want to see, comment to the video. If you're on Instagram, if you're on YouTube, I do check them. So just comment, I do read them. You can like the video. Be sure to subscribe to UMBC Rec TV on YouTube and UMBC Rec on Instagram. I got more videos coming for the rest of the spring 2021 semester. And as long as YouTube's around, these videos should not go anywhere. So you can always come back to them. Find yourself getting harder, better, faster, stronger. Just like that song, right? But I will see you guys next time. Make it a great day. Bye, guys. I am out. You know, go UMBC Retrievers. Bye, guys.